Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in such a long time. I kind of took a break from YouTube, like a week and a half break, and I was just feeling really uninspired and a little bit low, to be honest. But I'm trying to turn things around and I just want a whole new setup for like videos. I want to feel inspired again. So I did some home decor shopping that I'm going to show you guys. So some home decor, I have some makeup to show you guys that I got in the mail and some miscellaneous things. So hopefully you guys don't mind seeing all the things that I picked up recently. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do in this vlog. I do want to go to the gym. So this is just going to be like a normal vlog style, unboxing and doing whatever. So first things first, I went to Marshall's today, and if you haven't seen that Marshall's vlog, shop with me, I will link it down below. But I got this huge plant because I want to do a whole new background for my YouTube videos, just because I just don't like my background right now. So I changed things up completely. So I got this plant right here, and I love how it's like a wicker basket at the bottom, and then it has like the fake little moss thing, and then a big old plant. So this was $40. I thought it was a really good deal, especially because I think on Urban Outfitters they're like $100 for the same size. So I picked this up to be kind of like in the background of my videos, and I hope it works out because I think it's real cute. So I picked up that. And then I did get a candle. This is from WAHS Candles, so I believe it's pronounced Waz Candles, and I'm going to link this company down below. But they are a luxury candle company, and they are soy and vegan. They are based in Indiana, and they sent me a beautiful candle. So this is the outside of the packaging, and the candle that I got is blueberry cheesecake, and you can literally smell it, and the box isn't even opened. So this is what it looks like. It is handmade and it is adorable packaging. So this is what it looks like, and it is described a flaky graham cracker crust topped with creamy goodness and ripe blueberries. It is all natural, hand poured soy wax candles, and you get 16 ounces of this. So I think this is really nice. I love the smell of this. It does not smell fake. Some candles can smell very like fake and just, I don't know, like rubbery or like plasticky, if that makes sense, just like a fake fruit. But this one smells just like blueberry pie. It smells freaking so delicious. So delicious that I had to pick up these today at Marshall's, blueberry yogurt pretzels, because I was just craving blueberry. So I got this. I do have a coupon code that will give you free shipping. I believe it's SadieSaves, but I will link it down below, as well as linking their website. But I think these are really nice and handmade and beautiful. So I'll link that below for you guys. I did make a photo album, and I made this from Shutterfly. I like doing this once a year. So I made one for 2017, and then I made one for 2018. So this is the outside, and I'm not going to show you every single page because that would be annoying. But I highly recommend making these photo albums because I feel like they're so meaningful. So I'll show you a couple of pages. So we got cookie dough, me and my brother, Michaela and I doing that drunk challenge. We've got Puffin right there, which is actually being really whiny right now. I just have a ton of pictures, and I just love this. I feel like if my apartment were to burn down, I would grab a teddy and this photo album, because I just think photo albums are so meaningful. So yeah, I have a bunch of pictures in here. Highly recommend making one of these. You don't have to do it through Shutterfly. You could do it through literally whatever, but I just love this. So I made one of those. Okay, now what's next? I got a really cute package from Pixie. And Pixie is always super sweet when it comes to their packages. So this one right here is Pixie Bon Voyage Lovelies. This is Teddy's favorite toy, and he's going crazy. Ready? Catch. That was close. Okay, so enjoy a hydrated journey to your dream skin with our rose-infused favorites. So first of all, a really cute makeup bag. I think I'm going to bring this with me on vacation because I'm obsessed with it. I love the colors, and it feels like really good quality too. Okay, so this is what is in the inside. I think this package is so cute. So all like rose inspired, like different skincare products. And then there's a little card up here, and it says, "Dear Sadie, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your Pixie love." I think that's so sweet, and I think Pixie is one of the sweetest companies ever. So thank you to them for sending that over to me. Moving on. So I ordered from Urban Outfitters, and one of the reasons why I like ordering from Urban Outfitters so much is because they have Afterpay, so you don't have to pay at once, like all at once, the grand total. So I ordered a comforter, and I talked about it in my last vlog that I put up with you guys, but I did expect this comforter to look a bit different, so I'm undecided if I want to keep this or not. It was supposed to be more of a mocha color, and I'll insert a picture so you guys can see it better, but this to me is more pink, and I don't know how Scott's going to feel about this. So this is what it looks like, and it does have the little pattern or design of like that golden bronze, and it has tassels on it as well. But it's just a little bit more like pink than I thought it was going to be. And then I ended up getting these. I'm just such on the fence of returning this. So this is what the pillowcases look like, and they have the tassels on it, so they're the matching ones, but these were $50 for 2. And then this big guy was like $150. So I'm undecided if I want to keep it, just because it's not exactly the same color as I thought it was going to be. So there is that. I think that's everything that I wanted to show you guys right now. I feel like I ordered more. Oh, I ordered a, what is it called? A tapestry for my backgrounds too. So I'll show you guys my new setup. I ordered new lights. I'm feeling pretty good. Finally, because I was feeling so uninspired, but I'm feeling pretty good, so I'll show you guys my new setup. So this is what my new setup is looking like. I got this tapestry off of Urban Outfitters, and I will link it down below. Scott really likes it as well, so I picked that up and just hung it on the wall. Then we have that big plant that I showed you guys. It was from Marshall's. I threw a couple of pillows down, and then I have a wicker basket over there that I think I got from TJ Maxx a while ago. And then I ordered these box lights off of Amazon. They were $63, which wasn't bad. And it's pretty bright with just one light. So there's a little switch right here, and I'll show you guys how bright it is. So that's just with one light, and I'm gonna have another one right there, and then I'm gonna have my ring light in the middle. So hopefully the quality of my videos are gonna be a lot better with the lighting and everything else. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I just needed something new, you know, and I just feel like this is more of my style. So if you guys have any other recommendations on anything I should add or take away, let me know. Obviously my purse is not going to be in there, and I was thinking of just filming on the ground, but I'm not sure. So I would love any tips, tricks, recommendations down below. So I just brought Teddy out, and now I'm having my second cup of coffee for the day. I don't usually have 2 cups of coffee, but I'm feeling very groggy. So I got this mug from TJ Maxx, and it came with a king, and this is Ray Dunn. I love it. So I'm just going to be drinking this and relaxing for the rest of the day, and hopefully getting the motivation to go to the gym. I have to do 105 squats today, so it's going to be a tough one, but I'm going to drink this, watch some TV, and relax. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I have to work all day today, and I have a really weird, like, annoying shift. So I'm working 10 to 7, and all of my shifts are 9 hours long, but this is just like an awkward one. I wanted to show you guys what I bring with me to eat. So I always pack it in this cookie dough little thing that I got in New York. And actually Michaela brought me one back as well, so I have 2. Ooh, you want to see what's in here? All right. So this is what I bring to lunch pretty much every... Teddy, get your nose out of there. This is for Mommy. Hey. All right, hang on one second. This is what I bring to lunch almost every single day. So I bring grapes to work, or a fruit. These grapes are unusually long. I don't know if you can tell. Look at how long those grapes are. Have you ever seen grapes that long in your entire life? Like, it's weird, but they're actually really delicious. They're like super crunchy. So I have grapes. I have a peanut butter sandwich. Ran out of sandwich bags, so there's that. So it's wrapped in tin foil, just plain peanut butter. And then I have 2 hard-boiled eggs and then 2 tangerines. That is what I bring to work. It doesn't seem like that much, but it's definitely enough for me. So that's my lunch, and that's what I usually bring to work if I'm not ordering Panera. But Panera, I spend so much money there, so I've been trying to do a lot better and just bring my lunch. So I'm off to work today, and I will talk to you guys once I'm there. A product that just launched on Sephora is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask in lavender. This smells really good. It smells like a spa. So we just got this in. And then we also, in our location, this isn't new, but it's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe. And then this one's a newer one. It's the Avocado Sleeping Mask. I haven't tried this yet. I do have this one, and it's very hydrating. It's a little bit almost like sticky, but it does have hyaluronic acid in it and AHAs, so it's gonna resurface your skin and deeply hydrate. This one I also want to bring on vacation. I don't own it, but it is brand new. It's the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So this is a night cream, and it smells so good. It smells kind of like peaches. So I really want to get this. Love the packaging of it. And let me see what it says that it does, because I think it claims to do a few different things. It says it reduces signs of daily skin stress and fatigue for a youthful, rested, radiant look for super soft skin. So I'm really interested in purchasing this. It is $48, but it sounds and smells delightful. This one also is really intriguing. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and it's called the Green Relief Therapeutic Sleep Cream Skin Protectant. So it has 2% retinoid complex, 2% topical melatonin. So basically this is going to counteract any redness that you have. It also smooths the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. And it has vitamins and minerals, antioxidants in it, and it helps revitalize skin's appearance overnight. So this one sounds really good. Plus it has that cannabis oil in it that everyone wants. So that is a new one as well that we just got in. This is another new mask that we got in. This is from Youth to the People, and it's called the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So it has vitamin C in it, it has squalene and hyaluronic acid in it. So this is supposed to plump, hydrate your skin. It's supposed to give you more of a radiant look, and it repairs dehydration in your skin. So it's kind of pricey. It's $48 for this small size, but something about it really intrigues. Don't do what I just did, because I've got slippery fingers, all right? So I just dropped the whole damn thing all over the floor with glass everywhere. So I gotta clean this. Okay, so this is the new collection from Chloe and Malika from Becca Cosmetics. So they're little blush and bronzer palettes. So there's a lighter one and a deeper one. And then they came out with some lipsticks as well. The only thing that's kind of crappy, the only thing that's kind of crappy with this collection is this right here. So this is the highlighter, and it has little X's and O's, so it's really cute, but it's like cardboard and really, really cheap packaging for $32.
And does it show on my complexion either?
No. Yeah, so they didn't make it for a range of skin tones, and also it's just so cheaply made. For $32, I think that's worth like maybe $15, if that. Yeah, this was cheaply made. Everything else is like that hard gold, but this, for some reason, no.
For it being Becca and it being known for highlighters,
yeah, they should have known better.
Stepchild.
They should have known better. Smashbox came out with some new concealers. They're called the Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, medium to full coverage, hydrating, and vegan. I'm interested in trying these out. It kind of reminds me of the Bare Minerals Serum Concealer, the packaging, but I haven't tried this out yet. I'm interested in trying this, and then the new Fenty one as well, but I think the Fenty one's a little bit more drying. So this is supposed to be more hydration, but that medium to full coverage. I hate the lighting in here, but this is the new Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in vanilla. This smells really yummy. They do have an original as well. It smells like bubblegum, but this one's the vanilla one that they just came out with, and I really like it. Hi guys, so I just got out of work. I worked 10 to 7 today, and it was a really, really long, tough, annoying shift, but I am finally home, and I came home to a package that I wanted to share with you guys because it's a super cute package, and it's from a brand called Cake Beauty, and you can find this at Rite Aid. So I wanted to show you what I got in this package. So it says hashtag this is Cakeland, and you can find this at Rite Aid. So it's a new brand, and they have a ton of different like shampoos and conditioners and hair products, but they also have hand lotions as well. So they sent me this really cute package. Right here we have Cake Heavy Cream, Rich Vanilla Shea Butter, Deeply Nourishing. So this is a hand balm. I love the packaging on this. They also have 2 other hand products, the Deserted Island Raw Tahitian Coconut Elixir, Radiance Enhancing. So this is a hand lotion. Isn't this packaging so cute? Then we also have this one. This is a hand cream, Candied Oat Milk Cream. I can't wait to smell these. Oh my goodness. Is that your favorite ball? Can I see it? Why not? So then also we've got shampoo and conditioner, which I actually needed a new shampoo and conditioner. So the Posh Wash is the shampoo, and then the Soft Serve is the conditioner. And then we also have right here the Wave Maker, sugar infused soft sheen waves, never ever drying style tousling. Really cute. We have the Hold Out, which is a setting and shaping hair mist. It's just a hairspray. And then this one right here is the Do Gooder, which is a totally to die for volumizing dry shampoo. Really excited to try this out as well. So thank you to Cake Beauty for sending this over to me. I can't wait to try them. And I'm definitely going to wash my hair either tomorrow or the next day and try them out. I'm going to try out the hand creams tomorrow though, for sure. I think I'm going to end this vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link Waz candles down below if you are interested in the blue. Hey! No. If you're interested in the blueberry candle, or they have other candles as well, but they are vegan, soy, handmade, and they are luxury candles. So I will link them down below, but I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.